Hello and welcome friends to the all new series of the Practical Company Secretary, the only YouTube channel which relates to company secretaries in practice and students company secretaries. In this series I am going to explain you about form INC 32 under the SPICE scheme. SPICE means simplified performa for incorporating company electronically. Some of the highlights of the SPICE are: this form can be filed even after approval of INC 1. Means if you have already filed INC 1, then also you can file the form INC 32. Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association have been provided electronically in INC 33 and INC 34, which also needs to be filed electronically. Because of the new MOA and AOA, no need of signatures of subscribers. Means now you just need to affix the digital signatures of the subscribers on the INC 33 and INC 34. Also, the witness can put his digital signature in the form for affixing it on MOA and AOA. Information in the form INC 32 has been increased in comparison to INC 29. Means the details in INC 32 is much more than INC 29. Now I am going to take you to see how the form looks. So friends, this is the form INC 32. You can see it is yet to be notified on the website of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, but it is present on internet on few CS Club websites. So here if you see this form, state of the company and the class of company and other details which we used to file in INC 29. Here you can see the main activity of the company needs to be filed and authorized capital structure. INC 1, if name is already approved, then give the INC 1 number. See, this is a very different thing which was not present in the INC 29. Here you can see this, you can pre-fill this INC 1 SRN number. Other than that, these similar questions to INC 29. Number of the first subscribers to the MOA. Remaining all the details are much more similar to the INC 29. So as we can see, this new form INC 32 under the SPICE scheme, after which it will be very much simplified for incorporating a company. Now let's discuss the attachments. See the attachments which are required in this INC 32. Memorandum of Association, Article of Association, Affidavit and Declaration of the First Subscribers, that is INC 9. I am discussing these attachments because these are much more than what was there in INC 29. Proof of office address, copy of utility bill, approval in case of name of company from central government, okay, approval of owners of trademark, NOC from existing company, in principle approval of concerned regulator, if a foreign company, then certificate of incorporation, resolution of promoter company, interest of first directors in other entities, consent of nominee, then proof of identity and address of the subscribers, of the nominee, NOC if there is a change. So these are also quite similar with little changes. And see the digital signature to be attached. Now we will discuss INC 33 and INC 34 which are the MOA and AOA, the electronic MOA and AOA. Come. So friends, this is the INC 33, which is the Memorandum of Association. Here also you need to fill up the INC 1 if it is applicable. Then table of applicable company as per the, this also we need to fill up here, applicable table. Then memorandum of association, the name of company, and I think this is going to come up by pre-fill option. But here you need to fill up these things, objective to be pursued by company. So the main objectives which we used to draft in the previously, here we need to, I think, just copy and paste those things, and other necessary objectives which are required for the company. I was expecting if this part was pre-drafted, by MCA, like how the companies in foreign countries are having it. You just need to put up these, just need to copy and paste the main objectives. Other things comes pre-populated and pre-drafted. But I think here we need to paste it. So it's a basically copy paste job. But yet I would appreciate the initiative taken by the ministry, because this will make lot of things easier, and this is the path and step towards the automation and pre-drafted. We can expect very soon that ministry will also put up the pre-drafted clauses here in the other object clause. Then the liability and all other things which we used to write up in the normal MOA. Here is this interesting thing where you can see the subscriber details and DSC. You need to put C of the first subscriber, the second subscriber, the details of share taken, and here the DSC and of the witness that comes here. In case of OPC, this nominee details. So this is the interesting form, which is the electronic MOA. Similar to this, there is electronic AOA form, Articles of Association. I'll show you that form. So friends, this is the electronic Articles of Association form. Here also the SRN number of form, INC 1, name of company and table. See, here it is very interesting to see that things have been pre-drafted. So you can just check if not applicable, check if altered. So here are the radio boxes, buttons, where you need to tick whether this is applicable to your company or not. This is very interesting, friends. It's going to make work lots of easy. I really thank the ministry for their initiative in this for introducing these kinds of forms. See, all the clauses are pre-drafted. Now if you see this like 1% company thing, so you don't need to select this in case you are not a 1% company. And see, the whole articles of association they have put up, and you need to just do the tick tick tick. Let's come to the end of the form. So they have given the articles of association of other unlimited company also format, and these. So it's a different for other companies also. Now again, subscriber details and witness details and check form and modify. So this is a very, very interesting and good initiative by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, which is going to help the professionals in a very nice manner. So friends, thanks for watching the video, and I have made a group for company secretaries in practice. If you are a company secretary in practice and you want to join this group, then please message me practice on the number given on the screen. Please note, I have also other WhatsApp groups for students, so please don't forget to write practice, otherwise by mistake I would add you in the students group. So my number is given on the screen. You can message me practice and I'll add you to the WhatsApp group for company secretaries. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.